Imagine, in the middle of the day, the sky suddenly goes dark. The sun disappears, and millions of people stop everything just to look up. That's a solar eclipse. But what exactly is happening in the sky? People throughout history have been fascinated and even terrified by this rare event. For some, it was a warning. For others, a miracle. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes exactly between the Earth and the sun. The moon casts its shadow on our planet, blocking the sun's light. That's why it suddenly gets dark, even in the middle of the day. But here's the twist. Not every new moon brings an eclipse. Why? Because the moon's orbit is tilted by about 5 degrees. Only when it lines up just right, we see this cosmic show. There are 3 main types of solar eclipses: partial, annular, and total. In a partial eclipse, only part of the sun is covered. In an annular eclipse, the moon looks smaller, leaving a bright ring around the sun, called the Ring of Fire. But the most breathtaking one is the total eclipse, when the sun is completely hidden and you can see the glowing solar corona. Ancient civilizations created powerful stories to explain eclipses. In China, people believed a giant dragon was swallowing the sun. The Vikings imagined wolves chasing and catching the sun. During a total eclipse, animals act strangely. The temperature drops, and the sky turns into twilight. For ancient civilizations, this was terrifying. They thought it was a bad omen. But today, we know it's a natural cosmic show, and scientists use eclipses to study the sun's corona. The last great solar eclipse happened on April 8th, 2024, across the United States. Millions of people witnessed it as day turned into night. The next solar eclipse will occur on September 21st, 2025. But this time, it will only be visible in parts of the southern hemisphere, such as New Zealand, Eastern Australia, and Antarctica. The next total eclipse visible in the US won't come until August 23rd, 2044, so for many Americans, it's a long wait. So the next time the sun disappears, don't be afraid. Look up and witness one of the most beautiful cosmic events we can see from Earth. A solar eclipse is not just astronomy, it's a reminder of how small we are in this vast universe.
fantastic total solar eclipse taken from the pictures above the clouds.
Fabuleuse en bas et à l'ouest, c'est propre numéro sensationnel.
Der Chef bestimmt hat mir was super in so einem Moment, Herr Philemon. Ja, super.
This is just fantastic.